Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making grilled halloumi salad. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the halloumi salad. You will need some arugula, cherry tomatoes cut in half, baby cucumbers sliced, 200 grams of halloumi cheese, half a lemon, and some extra virgin olive oil. And this is how your grilled halloumi salad should look like. Serve it as an appetizer and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!